What's up, guys? Just got home from the gym. I'm cooking up some dinner. Got some chicken thighs going. Got some couscous going. Nice and fluffy. Alright, time to get the food in the Tupperware. A little couscous. Some chicken. A little more. And one more little piece. Bruh. Looks good. Let's do it again. Four meals for the next 2 days. Lunch and dinner. I don't usually eat breakfast, so here's what we got. Chicken thighs, couscous. What's up, guys? Just wanted to show you my computer setup in my house here. We got a PC that I built sophomore year at college. Love it. Works really well. And then I also have my 13-inch MacBook Air. Also works really well. I do a lot of my editing on here in iMovie. It's just easier that I think, but I'm starting to get better at Premiere Pro. Got the LEDs. It's my mic right there for when I record music or do some audio for videos. So I'm actually moving out of this spot pretty soon, in like a week or so. Moving to Gloucester. I got a studio apartment there, which I'm really excited for. It'll be my own spot. Right now I have roommates, and you know, roommates can be inconvenient at some times. And I finally got my own space, set up all my stuff, you know. Really excited.